Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna upgrade the stereo on the Astra. So I got a Tesla style unit that we're gonna install it today. To make the video shorter, I already removed the old stereo. So if you want to know how to remove the old stereo, I'm gonna link into the description the video that I had previously done. Okay, let's get started. So the wiring, if you don't know where it comes, I'm gonna try and explain it now. So this is the GPS antenna and it goes here. This is the radio antenna, goes here. The 6-pin USB is here, the first one. The one with the camera in is this one and goes here. The 4-pin USB goes here. And this is the CAN bus one, the wire that comes from here to here. And this with the microphone, the wiring here that goes on this one. And the main plug is this one that goes here. And this end comes to the radio on the car. Using a stick, I routed the wires through here, all the way through the back of the dash. The GPS antenna is here. I put it behind the A-pillar and I tucked it behind the A-pillar here to have good signal. The wire for the microphone as well behind the dash went through the A-pillar here behind the roof liner, and I put it here to have a good signal. The reverse camera as well went through the back, tucked it behind the plastic here. This is the wire, went through the back, through here, through this plastic, and went to the reverse light there. For the reverse camera here on the stereo, you need to connect this wire from the camera that comes from the back to camera in, and the other one, the red one, to reverse control. The cable from the front should be connected to this wire from the camera. This one should go to the red, black to red. The black one should go to the ground. And this red should go to this red that comes from the stereo.